Alrighty, hello. Today I'm going to be teaching some multiplication, just basic multiplication. First thing we're going to start off with is equal groups. Basically what equal groups means is taking a written out equation and visualizing it to make it more simple. It can turn into even like addition at that point. We're going to start off with something simple. Excuse my writing. Alright, a simple equation. 2 times 3 equals 6. So something that it can mean is taking the times 3 can basically mean how many of this there are. This means there are 3 sections of 2. So let's draw that out in an equal group. Let's see how that works. 1, 2, 3. So basically what that can do is, so basically you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's start something one more advanced. So we're just going to add a little bit more. 5 times 3 equals 15. So that basically means there's 3 sections of 5. So 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And excuse my writing, I'm using just a mouse on a really unsteady object because it's the best I got. So, yeah, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's basically what equal groups is. Now something else I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you the stacked method. The stacked method is what I use when I think of multiplication, so we're going to do something a little bit harder. I'm just going to use something similar to what we've done. It's going to be 20 times 3. So basically it was like what we did previously, the 2 times 3, but we just added a 0 there. So basically the stacked method is taking what's from the bottom and taking it from the top and multiplying it that way. So anything times 0 is going to be 0, so immediately just 0. And then we'll take it this way. 3 times 2, which we already know is 6, so it's just going to be 60. Let's try and do something with different numbers. I'm going to use 54 times 3. Okay. So we're also going to use the equal groups for this just to make it easier. So there's 3 groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that means it's 12. We're going to write the 2 right here, but we're not going to put that 1 there because it doesn't go in the equation. So what I'm going to do is just put the 1 right there. So that basically what this 1 is going to do is just make this, we're just going to add on afterwards. So unlike with the 12, we are going to take the 1 from this one, so it's going to be so just like that time, it's going to be 3 groups of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know what that was. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's going to be 15. I'm just going to write, but we're going to take this 1 into consideration. It's just going to add 1 to it. So 15 plus 1 equals 16, which is 162. Nice job. Alright, we're going to try something a little bit harder and go with 2 numbers. I'm going to do 20 times 22. Alright, just like we said before, 0. Anything times 0 is 0, so it's going to be 0. And the thing with 2 times 2, it's just basically addition at that point. It's just 2 groups of 2, which would be 2 plus 2, which would be 4. Okay, and anytime there is going to be a double number on the bottom or anything more than one number on the bottom, we're going to add 1. We're going to add a 0. Because there's nothing we can do here anymore, because we already have that from right there. Alright, so 2 times 0, again, is going to be 0. And same thing, 2 times 2 is going to be 4. So we're just going to add that one up. It's going to be 0, 4, 4. So 440. Nice job.